Hey guys, Dewey here with Wild Groves. We are featuring our brand new Mandarin Crushed Olive Oil. This is a limited edition. We don't have very much of this and it's so special. The flavor's amazing, the color's amazing. We call it crushed because we take the actual mandarin. During the harvest season, we crush it, both fresh, picked the same day basically within 24 hours, crush them with the olives to make this flavor-infused crushed olive oil. It's delicious. We're gonna make a mandarin orange salad. I hope you guys love this one. Follow along as I make it. Hey guys, we're going to do our mandarin orange salad. This is super easy, very fast. We're going to start off with 2 handfuls of greens. This has some spinach and arugula. I love arugula. It gives such a herbaceous flavor to your salad. Then we're going to add some cranberries. Let's add all these in right now. Then we got some toasted pecans, honey glazed. And then you can do some blue cheese or some goat cheese. I'm doing goat cheese now, but blue cheese, man, I wish I would have had some today. I would have put some in. We're going to do a little bit of some Parmesan. I just grated this out, fresh Parmesan. Doesn't take a lot, just for flavor. And I'm going to add in, let's see, 2 tablespoons Mandarin olive oil. Drizzle it right over the top. Look at that color. Woo! Nice and orange. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, then we're going to do our balsamic vinegar. This is our white balsamic. I didn't show anybody the pictures. Dang. We're going to do 2 of these. All right, that